Understanding the volume slider, Easy English Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common term you'll encounter when using electronic devices, the volume slider. This handy tool helps you control sound, and we're going to explain how it works in simple English. So, let's get started. A volume slider is a user interface element found on many electronic devices and software applications that allows you to adjust the loudness of the sound. It usually appears as a horizontal or vertical bar with a movable indicator that you can slide back and forth to increase or decrease the volume. You can find a volume slider on a variety of devices, such as smartphones, tablets, computers, and televisions. It's also a common feature in music and video player applications. Whenever you need to change how loud the audio is, the volume slider is your go-to tool. Using a volume slider is quite straightforward. Click or tap on the slider handle and drag it to the right to turn the volume up, and to the left to turn it down. On some devices, you can also use the keyboard or remote control to adjust the slider. While adjusting volume is simple, it's important to keep it at a safe level. Listening to audio at high volumes over long periods can damage your hearing. Always start with a lower volume and increase it gradually until it's comfortable for you. That's all there is to using a volume slider. We hope this video helps make your listening experience better and safer. Remember, the right volume is where you can enjoy your audio without straining your ears. See you in the next video.